First time seeing the Z. The tow truck driver just dropped it off like Wednesday, and now it's Sunday. But it's my first time being to my parents' house. And I'm so excited. And we're selling the S14 today. And I found coilovers for this on Craigslist, powered by Max for $300. Oh, I'm so excited. That ain't that bad, right? I guess I should probably take this headlight out too.
So you need to kind of figure out what's bent, because it looks like this has moved over, but that side hasn't. Does that have a unibody frame?
This whole core support comes off. And there's two horns that are right behind it. For a front-end collision, these headlights are in pretty good condition. Okay. Got that off. The headlight buckets are bent for sure.
Right there. No, right here.
Weird. Oh, I have to use this again.
No, not use that one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's a little tatered. The motor seems dry underneath. Pushed. I'm not sure if this is ever gonna be a street car now. Sway bar. Maybe also pushed. Let's see if we can pull this straight. With the damage on this, I think it's just gonna be a dedicated drift car. Open drift, bang doors, it's just so I don't break my Pro-Am car. I can do fun events without having to worry about anything. But it sucks, it's fucked.
It's probably just, you need a stretch it thing. I think it's just going to pull a car forward.
There's probably nothing behind it that we can attach it to. Yeah, here's the last one. Might shoot out. Wow, not at all.
Watch your face. pulling off. There's also bolts on it, so why don't you just take the bolts off?
What bolts? That's why, if it took it off, there'd be no thing to grab onto.
Well, it's pulling this right here off. The whole thing is pulling out.
That's what we're trying to do, man.
Okay.
Because it wasn't straight.
It's just pulling it off, not pulling it out. You see what I'm saying?
It straightened this out a lot.
Okay.
Pulling a fucking car.
Thing came out.
Hola. Some of your trademark body work on Mayor fabbing it. Is that plastic? It's like the fiberglass. This is the headlight bucket.
That's pinching it now.
Isn't the whole thing just like pushed to the passenger side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so that should be it.
Yeah.
Letting that intake breathe a little bit. But yeah, so goodbye S14.
Are we scraping?
Not yet. We probably will, but not yet.
Ah!
Goodbye S14. Okay, remember I taught you, clutch dump, left foot on the brakes. Does it have an LSD in it or not? It's got an LSD in it. Dang it!
That didn't work very well.
It's on fire though.
What is? That didn't really work. When I hit the brakes, it just stopped. The car decided to let off. Is that how much I did?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Damn Z.
It's fun while it lasted.
So it's currently 9 a.m. It's pretty foggy out. I'm gonna take the suspension off this because there's a guy with Power by Max coilovers that will trade me stock suspension plus my labor to put this stock suspension on his car. And I get his Power by Max coilovers for 300 bucks, so that seems like a good deal. And I might sell the coilovers on that and put Forester suspension on it to lift it for winter, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm out of breath because I'm undoing all these wheels. Put the car on jack stands, busted all the wheels off. It's currently 31 degrees. Hands are freezing, but gotta get the suspension off. And then I gotta do it all over again. I gotta take the coilovers off his car and put the suspension on his car. So yeah, not fun. So it's pretty easy. 2 14s, 17, 17, and it comes out just like that. 5 minutes later, we got the rear out. Now it's time for the front. Do the top strut bar so you can get the top hats, and then we'll see what we have to do to get the bottom out. And we're all out. Now it's time to head to that dude's house and do it all over again. Get foggier and tighter and more and more out in the woods. Hopefully this guy doesn't kill me, because none of you will ever find me. Taco frame. Look at that. I think mine's a little bit less. Well, that sucked. Filthy dirty. But I got them gold boys back there for $300. Whew. $300. There's somebody selling lamps for $400 on Craigslist. The guy thought those were called like Power Max or something. So he didn't. I don't think he knows what they're like. Those are $1,200. So it was a good come up, and I ordered my tie rod spacers, and it's pretty much already set. It's a drift car. I don't need to put any more money into it other than tires and oil, and hopefully nothing blows up. Oh, I gotta weld the diff, and then it's done. Sweet. I'm raising the coilovers because his car is pretty dumped, and I don't have any toe or camber arm, so his tires were bald. That's the reason why he crashed. And I put anti-seize in it, and then I'm gonna spin the color. I spun this up already, now I'm gonna spin it down. He caught the reason he sold these so cheap. They're Max Pros. That's what he thought they were, but they're gold. They're obviously powered by Max. Playing around with some extra wheels. Look how sunk in this is. And it's got I think a 20 or 15 mil spacer. That's crazy. These 350Zs can fit giant wheels. So these are what is called a true coilover. So you saw when I took the suspension out, or where I just briefly brushed over it, but it was a strut and a spring, but now the strut and spring are one piece, and it changes the pivot point. So these spring rates can be totally different if you did just a shock there and a spring there. But yeah, the rears are done. Got the rear done and the front left done. These aren't these are my wheels for the 240. Those are actually 5x100 WRX wheels. But just to see what it looks like, the height's gonna be all weird. I don't know if I'm gonna get adjustable arms yet or not. My original thought was put it as close as I can to stock, and then so my alignment wouldn't be too far off, because the toe is gonna be disastrous. The front will be fine because it'll be adjustable. The camber won't be adjustable, but whatever. But yeah, seeing that blue Z today makes me think that this will be a lot easier to fix, because his frame was way more messed up than mine was. Well, I'm done. It was 9 a.m. to 4:30. And Project Z has coilovers. It was a long day, but short video, so I'll end it here. Thanks for watching.